Hey guys, Mr. Graves here. I'm going to do the homework for the worksheet, lesson 3.6, practice. All we were doing was actually solving proportions. So obviously on number one, I have n over 11 equals to 40 over 55. I can do this multiple ways. I'm going to show you both ways to do it. And yes, in the background playing trap music instead, so sounds much better, doesn't it? Now, we'll see how long this lasts. So I'm going to start by doing the scale factor. 11 goes into 55 5 times. But then I'm going to go the other way. So I'm going to be dividing by 5. So 40 divided by 5 means n is equal to 8. You do it that way and you get the answer. That's cool. Got no problem with that. That's actually how I first learned it a long time ago. Back in 2013. But here's the other way to do it. What's the fancy word for this is multiple representation. I'm gonna cross multiply our cross products 40 times 11 to get 440. Then I'm going to end up dividing by the number I've not used. 55. So I draw the house. The first number goes into the house. The second number goes outside the house. I'm going to see, of course, I know it's 5 because 55 times 5. Oops. 5 times 5 is 25. Add 2. I'm sorry. No, it's not 5. Sorry, it's 8. Ha! Love it. Thought it was 5 was that. No, that's not right. That was the scale factor. It's 5. Shoot. It's 8. So that's 40 at the 4. 440. So yep, it's equal to 8. So if you want to do it that way, that's fine. I prefer the cross products way because as you guys see, as we keep on going through all of these, it's gonna get much more complicated than what we just started off with. So that's how you do numbers 1 and 2. I'll do a decimal, number 3. And yes, I am doing part of your homework. So, man, take advantage of this if you can. For real. Used to be over 3.8. Again, I can just go ahead and do the scale factor. 1.9 times 2 gives me 3.8. So if multiplied by 2, 1.8 times 2. So your answer is 3.6. Okay, you do it that way, that's cool. Hey, that means you got very good number sense. So, of course, another way to do it, 1.8 divided by 1.9 equals to b divided by 3.8. So I'm going to go ahead and cross multiply. 3.8 times 1.8. That's 4 at the 6. That's 30. 30. That would be 24 plus 6 is 30. Cross it out. 1 times 3.8 is 3.8. Add everything up. Is that right? Okay, yeah, that's right. Of course, that's 2 decimal places. Bam, bam. So I'm going to make sure I have 2 decimal places. Now I'm going to divide by the number I didn't use, which is 1.9. So I'm going to set up my house, put the big number, 6.84 into the house. 1.9. I'm going to do the whole balls to the walls that you guys keep talking about so much. So I'm actually going to be doing 19 outside the house. And 68.4. 19 times 3. 57. Love this song. Then we'll multiply by 6. 19 times 6. 5. That's 114. There we go. Yeah, perfect. So just like that, bam, my answer is set as 3.6. So the second way I just showed you with all the different fancy colors, that's how I really recommend you do this worksheet. And you're going to see as I go forward why. So looking at number 4. 4 has 8 plus 6. Divide by 21 is equal to 4 over 7. So I'm going to go ahead and start. I'm going to cross multiply. 7 times 8 plus 6. I'm going to distribute. 7 times 8 is 7a. 7 times 6 is 42. So I'm going to take that. I'm going to divide it by my other number. Oh, so yeah, divide by after I cross multiply this two. 21 times 4, which is let me see, 21 times 4, 84. So I just go ahead and make those equal to each other because it's a proportion. Remember, proportion means equals to. I'm going to go ahead now and I'm just simply going to subtract 42 on both sides. That's 42. Divide both sides by 7. So A is equal to 6. It's much easier to do it that way. It really is. Because now, if you do it the other way, and there's nothing wrong with the other way, because you're going to see how much more complicated it gets the other way. So I have 4. Now, I don't mind doing this because, you know, I love math. So, but some people, they want to just get the work done as fast as possible and call it a day. I completely understand. I really do. If you don't love this stuff, it can be annoying. So I'm going to divide by 3. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So I'm going to go the other way and multiply by 3 instead. So I'm going to do 3a plus 6, which is 3a, and 3 times 6 is 18, is going to equal, no, that's it. No, that's it. Like, you can't do anything more. Because, I mean, what is that equal to? 7? Diagonal, 7. Subtract 18 on both sides. 3 equals negative 11. Divide by 3. Oh, heck no. A equals negative 11 over 3. It does not. Wait, no, A does not equal that. Because if I use cross products, I know A equals 7. So, please, going forward, just use cross products. Okay, I know scale factor is awesome, and scale factor is great for when you have just integers or decimals. But when you start including all these other different sets of number expressions, it's going to get much harder. So I'm going to show you why again on number 5. You have 5x equals x plus 1 equals to 30 over 9. So again, isn't this awesome? Just listen to trap music all day. Times 9. 5x times 9 is 45x. Remember, I cannot forget to bring my x with me. Oh, that's funny. I just thought about that. So 30 times x plus 1. I'm just going to distribute. 30 times x is 30x. And 30 times 1 is just 30. I'm going to take both of those different colors and set them equal to each other. So 45x equals 30x plus 30. Subtract 30 on both sides. So that means 15x is equal to 30. Divide both sides by 15. X equals 2. So I hope this kind of video really helps you guys. And the rest of the homework was just like that. I don't think I see any decimals. No, remember guys, we're only doing numbers 1 to 15 on the homework, okay? 1 through 15 on the homework. So I think 15 provinces is a pretty good, reasonable compromise for us to do. If you guys need any help, you can always text me, call me, or email me. And remember to love God, math, and each other. Okay, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.